Okay, so let's look at questions C and D. On these two, you're going to notice that a number of things are happening. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about my questions that I wrote. Question number 1, are there any parentheses? There were not. And question number 2, can I combine like terms? So let's see if I can combine like terms. Clearly there's a lot more variables on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the variables. Again, remember I'm including the addition or subtraction sign that is in front of it. I'm going to switch to another color so you can see that I'm going to do the same thing for the constants. Now I'm going to combine them so there's only one color of each on both sides of the equal sign. So 10x's plus 9x's is going to give me 19x. And 30 plus 4 will just give me 34. The red X is the only one, and if it bothers me, I can go ahead and put a 1 there if it helps. And then I'm going to combine 3 and negative 5. I usually read the positive one first. So I have $3 and I lost 5, so I know that makes it negative 2. Again, if that's a struggle, please check it on your calculator. Now I'm going to look at the next question, which says, are there variables on both sides? And the answer is yes, so I'm going to move the smallest one. So clearly the 1x is smallest, and because it's positive, I'm going to subtract 1x from both sides. And now I have 18x plus 34 equals negative 2. And it's a pretty straightforward two-step now. I'll just subtract my 34. I get negative 36. We're going to divide both sides by 18. And I should get an answer of x equals negative 2. Again, mark them so you know. If you're using pencil, then do things like put a box around all of them. Underline the others. Something to help you know which ones go together. All right, so again, first question, are there any parentheses? And the answer is clearly yes, so you're going to multiply that times that and that times that. So we're going to rewrite all the other parts. So this stays here. Now this is the part I'm doing. 2 times 5 is 10x. And 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. That's where my equal sign was. And I'm not doing anything to the other side. Now I notice that there is more than 2 terms on each side, and I'm guessing that I have some like terms. So let me go ahead and highlight the x's. I have one there, I have one there, and I have one there. And then clearly then my constants are negative 39 and negative 12. So 2 letters, so negative 4x plus 10x, that's what I'm going to simplify first. So when you simplify those two, it becomes 6x minus 12. You still have negative 3x minus 39 over here. On question 3, it literally says, are there letters on both sides? And it reminds you to move the smallest one. So if that's the case, negative 3 is clearly the smallest. So the opposite of subtracting 3x is to add 3x. And then when I rewrite it, it looks like a normal 2-step. And we know that means I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Let me draw this a little bit lower. And that's going to be 27, I believe. Yep. And then I have 9x. I divide both sides by 9. And that's going to give me an answer of x equals negative 3, because I know 3 times 9 is 27. Okay.